Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you something really cool. This is the brand new Dead Trigger 2 mod that works on both Android and iOS devices. If you're into action and want to level up fast, stay with me till the end. This is definitely worth it. And hey, if you like content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. So let's get into it. In this modded version of Dead Trigger 2, there's a mod menu you can open just by tapping the gear icon. That's where the magic happens. One of the main features here is the ability to get unlimited gold and money instantly. And yep, you're about to see that in action. Along with the gold and money, the mod menu also offers a few other tweaks to customize your experience and make gameplay way smoother. Everything works right inside the game, no complicated setup, and it's running perfectly on both Android and iOS. Now, let me quickly show you how to get it yourself. First, open any browser on your device. In this video, we're using Safari, but you can use any one you like. Head over to tweakcake.com. Once you're on the site, either use the search bar or scroll until you find the Dead Trigger 2 mod. Tap on it and begin the simple install process. If it's your first time using the site, you might be asked to complete a quick step by installing some extra apps. That's totally normal. Just follow the steps shown on the site or watch the guide there if needed. Also, check the comment I left below this video. It explains where you can find the mod if you need more help. That's it. If this mod worked for you, leave a comment and let others know. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you found this helpful.